Hey guys, welcome back. So, just to sum up what we have already learnt this week in phonics, we are looking at four new sounds. We have V represented by the letter V, J represented by the letter J, W represented by the letter W, and X represented by the letter X. Now, today we are blending once again. Now, remember, blending is an awesome skill where we push these sounds together to help us read out that word. So, for example, with this middle word here that I just highlighted, I'm going to push those sounds together. The first two sounds, so G, G, Jill, Jill, Jill. Let's look at this one right beneath it. So, ja, Jack, Jack, Jack. Now remember, we want to try and add those first two sounds together and then add it with the final sound over here. But sometimes we're going to get a word like this one at the top where we're going to have to push them together almost twice. Now, what we want to do, we want to try and look at where our vowels are. I can see there's one here, at, and there's one here, et. What I'm going to do, I'm going to separate it. And that's going to help me to push these sounds together, and then I'm going to add those two sounds together. So when there we go. Whoa. So I'm going to do the first part first. So I'm going to go Jack, Jack. Now I'm going to go to the next side. Et, et, Jack, et, Jack, et, jacket. So when we see a second vowel in a word, we want to try and break it up where that second vowel begins. That's the general rule. But for most of these other words, where we only have one vowel, we only need to blend these sounds together once. Have a crack at that, guys. Good luck.